Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the check engine light was on. To identify the issue, I connected a scan tool and it revealed 3 fault codes. P0521, engine oil pressure sensor switch range performance. P0522, engine oil pressure sensor switch low. P0523, engine oil pressure sensor switch high. These codes indicated a problem with the engine oil pressure sensor or its circuit, so I started a systematic diagnosis to confirm the cause. First, I inspected the engine oil level and condition. It's essential to rule out oil-related issues, as low oil or dirty oil can trigger these codes. In this case, the oil level was correct and the oil was clean, so I moved on to inspecting the sensor and wiring. I disconnected the harness connector for the engine oil pressure sensor and visually checked the connector and terminals. Everything looked fine, no corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Next, I used a multimeter to test the wiring harness for any shorts or opens. The tests confirmed that the wiring was intact, so the issue wasn't related to the electrical circuit. To further investigate, I removed the engine oil pressure sensor and installed an oil pressure gauge in its place. This allowed me to directly measure the engine's oil pressure. I started the engine and monitored the oil pressure readings. The measured oil pressure was within the manufacturer's specified range, which meant the engine itself was functioning properly. These results confirmed that the engine oil pressure sensor was faulty and needed replacement. I replaced the faulty sensor with a new one, ensuring it was properly secured and connected. After that, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. Why this happens? The engine oil pressure sensor monitors the oil pressure and sends this data to the vehicle's computer. Over time, these sensors can fail due to internal wear or contamination, leading to inaccurate readings and triggering fault codes. Regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes, can help prevent some sensor-related issues. This repair highlights the importance of thorough diagnostics. By testing each component systematically, I was able to confirm the issue without replacing unnecessary parts. If you're dealing with similar fault codes, these steps can help you resolve the issue efficiently.